I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, empty the bottle and open the lid to expose the spout assembly. You need a clean towel under the bottle to catch parts. Find the seam and the small release tabs near the spout base. These lock the inner mechanism. Why? Because Contigo designs use clips, so locating them avoids twisting or prying that breaks plastic. Use gentle pressure. Press the tab inward while pulling the spout straight up until it disengages. Once done, set the removed spout aside. Once the spout is off, you focus on the inner pieces, the silicone valve, gasket, and any internal straw or flow channel. You remove them by pinching and pulling. Observe orientation so reassembly works. Look for arrows or notches that indicate flow direction. If a part resists, use a plastic pick or your fingernail to ease it free. Avoid metal to prevent gouging. You clean or replace worn silicone, then dry parts completely. This prevents leaks and preserves the sealing surfaces during reassembly. You reassemble by seating the rubber gasket and silicone valve exactly as removed. Align notches and press firmly until they click into place. Once reinstalled, close the lid and test by filling the bottle partially and tilting to check for leaks and proper flow. If it leaks, make sure the gasket isn't twisted, torn, or misaligned. Clean debris from the seat. A key troubleshooting tip: if the valve is damaged or misses sealing ribs, replace it. Worn valves cause persistent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.